So now, KDF, I discovered kauliza ni nini, kasema Kalonzo Defense Forces. Ukiwaangalia wengine, they can do with an extra lunch. But it is the spirit of commitment and the love for their country which makes them come out strongly, and more particularly, defense of democracy. I am wearing like this, and if a time at the end, I really love to sing the words in one of the gospel songs, stand up for Jesus. Ye soldiers of the cross, lift up his royal banner, for it must not suffer loss. From victory to victory, his army shall he lead. And beautiful hymn writer, how relevant it is. This is a time to stand up. The clergy, Kenyans, stand up for Jesus. Because you cannot be standing up for Jesus if you're in Shakahola. And I'm happy the church has come out very clearly on this matter. But I wonder why Raila Odinga was denied access to Shakahola. And they allowed Shakila, my party secretary general, because I think the Senate committee was going there. So, in the spirit of openness, this matter about Shakahola has hit international news. It has put this country's name negatively. Watch Al Jazeera, you watch other places. Therefore, it behoves us as a nation to be very open about what happened in Shakahola. And as Shakila said, I think that we will know eventually the truth. Now, allow me to read the following, because I want to really celebrate our teams. The clergy present have delivered a timely and very thoughtful message that at its heart reminds us whose children we are and why all of us, at all the times, we must praise and be thankful to our mighty God. I'm thus vividly reminded of Psalms 9:1. I quote, I will give thanks to you, Lord. With all my heart, I will tell of all your wonderful deeds. The last time we gathered here, on January 15, 2022, we had the Yatta Declaration. And I would want to invite my brother Raila, on behalf of Azimio Fraternity, to come up with the Yatta Declaration 2. We, as an affirmation of the endorsement of a few months prior, in November, at our Wiper Democratic Movement, a National Delegates Conference in Kasarani, when we then Yatta 1, the declaration affirmed the conclusions of what had happened at the Delegates Conference. Ultimately, as Wiper and the One Kenya Alliance, Oka, my sister mother at that point was actually with me in Oka, having consulted widely and particularly